Under 1 minute, under 1 minute, under 1 minute. Hi, good morning, everybody. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 5:30 and I decided my arms are too sore, so I'm not going to be doing a workout video today. Today, you can take the day off. Yay! No working out. So it's the 5th day out of the 6-day workout. I should have taken a day off yesterday. I wouldn't be so sore today, but I'm taking it off today, which means I don't have a lot of content for you today. I am going to be stretching twice today, but that doesn't really count as exercise. And I don't need to film it because I filmed like 3 or 4 stretching videos. It's all going to be the same. So go back and watch one of those if you want to stretch with me, or just stretch on your own. Take a 20-minute walk, whatever you want to do. Just have a cool, relaxing day, okay? I did film some stuff yesterday. I'm going to show you today. And that's about all the content I have for you. I hope you really like it. Please press the subscribe button before the video is over. And I will see you later. I didn't want to do this video. My house is such a mess. And that bright light is in your eyes. Let's see. I can't get it out of your face. Anyways. So. I am going to show you what I got from the grocery store. And you know, it's quarantine right now and everybody's having a hard time finding food. So I'm just going to show you how small, if I can lift this thing, how small of a box of food I got. And this is literally everything that I have to eat in my house. Okay? This is literally everything, if I could fit all this stuff in here. All the stuff they have to eat, with the exception of some, I have like 3 bottles of water, Crystal Geyser water. This is it. This is my box. Okay? And that's all the food in it. I'm going to show you my little grocery haul. So, what I have in my house to eat, this is all I'm going to eat this week. I might take a trip to Target to buy some rice, but I'll let you know. So under quarantine, as we know, there's not a lot of foods. I don't know if you've noticed, for vegans and vegetarians, the vegan cheese and all that kind of stuff is just completely out. Morningstar is no more. There's none of that stuff. So I am eating very plain foods. This is just an instant coffee that I got from the grocery store brand of coffee. I do have creamer. I was able to get my hands on a creamer, and that's vanilla. So I got a couple of canned foods. I have pineapples, which are my favorite. I love pineapples because they help get rid of bloatedness. They kind of soothe your stomach, which is weird because it's acidic. And I got some garbanzo beans, also one of my favorite things. I was so happy to get this. And I got a soup. So everybody wants the canned soup. There's literally no soups. I'm in California. I'm not in New York, okay? And people are shopping like crazy. So this is just Progresso, a lentil soup with vegetables. This I have because I was eating bananas with almond butter. This is my favorite kind of almond butter. It's the maple flavor. And that lasts for a really long time. So I've had it for almost a month. And what I also found in my cupboards, there's literally nothing in my cupboards to eat, but I found, besides spices, I have spices, this rice paper, and there's probably like 10 more things of rice paper in here, which I use for spring rolls. I'll just put spinach and cucumber and avocado, and sometimes I'll eat tuna. I'll put tuna in there, but it's not necessary. That's all I put in there, and it's really, really yummy. These A 20 count of tortilla. Actually, it was 2 of these, but I gave one to my mom gave me one, and she took the other. But this is a 20 count of tortillas. I don't eat bread. I only eat tortillas. For some reason, bread just sits with me too long, and tortillas are a lot easier to digest for me. But I'm Mexican, maybe it has something to do with that. I got 4 bananas. That is it. Usually I buy like 8 to 10 bananas, and I'll eat like 1 or 2 a day. And my mom gave me, she went to Costco and got a big thing of spaghetti sauce, and she forgot to buy the spaghetti. So now she just has a bunch of sauces and she doesn't know what to do with it. So she gave me one of the sauces, and you know what? I don't have any pasta either. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's just gonna sit in my cupboard, and that's fine because there's nothing else in there besides this oatmeal. I bought instant oatmeal. I love instant oatmeal. I do not like to cook in the morning unless it's eggs, and I don't eat eggs. But my favorite morning breakfast was the fake eggs, the egg beaters, and it takes too long, it's too messy, and you have to wash the dishes, and I hate it. So I use instant oatmeal. I do have honey. I didn't bring it because it's too sticky, so I put some honey in there, and then I add some Honey Nut Cheerios, which I also have, but they're all the way over there. Okay. Well, since I'm showing you all the food I have in my house, I do have a big old box. It's a really big box of Honey Nut Cheerios, and I put that, I either eat just the bowl of cereal or I put it inside of my oatmeal with honey. My mom gave me this vegetable broth. Let me see. Items in my freezer. So I have the vegetable broth in the vegetable broth or in the spaghetti sauce. I do have this huge bag of vegetables in my freezer, and I've had it for a long time. I don't really eat them that much because I eat fresh stuff. Also in my freezer is frozen fruits, because it's really hard to get your hand on good fruits right now. I just buy frozen fruits and pop them in the microwave under defrost for a little while. I got a stack of tomatoes. My mom again went to Costco and she bought a whole thing of tomatoes, and this is what she gave me. So I have that, and that's great. We also got a big thing of avocados. She kept like 20 and I got 2 because I'm the broke one. And also from Costco, if you're lucky to have a Costco card, you get things in big packs like this. And this is a 6-pack of brown and red rice. It's just rice packages. You put them in the microwave for a couple minutes. And I'll add some of those frozen vegetables to it. So this video is not to make you jealous or to make you hungry, but that is literally everything that I have in my house to eat right now. I'm not trying to make you feel sorry for me either. That's actually a pretty good amount of food. And sometimes we go to the store twice a week to see if we can get our hands on anything else. Like we go to Target and Costco, and we only go to Rayleigh's if we absolutely have to. Right now we've been looking for things like yeast so we could make bread instead of I don't live with my mom, by the way. She lives 2 blocks away from me, so we go back and forth and we shop together and stuff. and I'll trade. She'll come over and say, do you want some apple pie? I had some apple pie in my freezer. And then when she gives me the apple pie, I'll trade her. I'll give her, well, I have a couple lentil soups. Here's my lentil soup, and we make a trade. So that's what's going on right now in the quarantine. And you know what? We're not even broke. I am, because I'm out of a job. Not really broke, but I'm out of a job, right? Because I don't have any income, and my mom is on retirement, so she's still getting money for retirement. So we do have, it's just hard to get our hands on the food and stuff that we need, like cleaners. I was really sick and I needed wipes and cleaners to clean my house, and she went to the store to grab me some, and she was almost in tears. I don't have anything. There's nothing in the store to buy you for you know, in case I did have COVID or something. She was really worried that she couldn't find anything for me to clean the house. So it has put people in tears already, and it's only been like a month. So I can't imagine this is going to go on another 4 weeks. I don't know what would happen if it went on even longer or again. But people are really down and out, and the people that do have money are hoarding stuff. So like, this is all the food that I could get my hands on that I can eat, because I'm allergic to milk, beans, and eggs, and I don't eat meat. So there's not a lot that I can actually eat anyways. It's really been hard to find stuff. And my mom does eat all of those things. So she has much more food in her house. I'm also trying to stay on a healthy diet because I'm trying to get a 6-pack, right? So there's a lot of stuff that I just can't eat just in general. I don't know why I'm doing that right now during the quarantine. It seems like we're going to be in famine soon. But that's just what it seems like. I don't want to put anybody in a down mood. I'm pretty sure, I mean, I do think that we're all going to get our jobs back and things are going to go back to normal pretty soon. But this coronavirus has hit pretty hard, and it's not, to be very real, it's not going away anytime soon. But we have lived with the flu and getting flu shots every year for so long that I just think it's gonna be livable. We'll find something to help make it better, and it will be livable. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you that you can stay healthy. The main point of this video is that you can stay healthy in this time right now and live on very little food. This is what I'll be eating all week, and probably next week I will still have some of this food, like the pasta sauce, for instance, and this vegetable broth. I don't think I'll be getting through that this week either, so some of it will be left over. Those tortillas, it is a 20 count. I only eat like 2 a day, and sometimes I don't eat any at all, so it will last quite a while. I won't have to go to the store. And just to let you know how big I am 5'1" and 3/4. Last time I went to the doctor, they said that I was shorter than that I've lost some height. I think that they did it wrong, but I think they measured me wrong, because I've always been 5'1" and 3/4, and I'm at 128 pounds right now, something like that, maybe 130, not that big. So this food will take me a long way. Yeah, now if I could take a shower and get some makeup on, that would really be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like more health videos or dancing videos. I think that when I sing for you, I'm gonna try to dress up a little bit because people are telling me you look nasty. Take a shower. I don't have any songs for you this morning, but stay tuned. Click on. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you haven't pressed the subscribe button, press it now. I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's where I put all of the information of the stuff that I'm doing that I'm not filming. So if I do any extra exercises, you'll be able to see what I did over on Facebook. I do not tweet. I absolutely hate Twitter. I don't want you knowing everything that I say all day long. That's weird. Just a personal thing. Anyway, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for some live videos, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. No working out. Oh my God, what am I gonna do?